Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add reviews over to your Wix site. So basically, in order to add reviews, what you simply need to do is first of all open Wix and then go basically to all your sites and then go to the site that you actually want to add reviews to. So click on select and edit that site if that's the site you want to edit. And then you will get to this page right here, and you need to click on design at the top right corner of your screen, just like this. And it will basically bring you into this Wix website editor, basically that thing where you can actually customize your entire website. So this is my website right now, it's literally completely empty. But let's say that we want to add some reviews. All we need to do is go to this taskbar here at the left and then click on add elements. And then right here you'll find this search bar where you can literally just search on and just type in reviews. It's really easy, just like that. And then you have some things you can actually add to your site. So either you can add testimonial strips, which is basically a review. However, it's not an actual review that it will be linked to, for example, Facebook. However, you can literally type whatever you want in those testimonial stripes and you can add stars and all those kind of things. So it is basically a review. However, it's not a legit review. Now, let's say that you actually want to add a review, for example, from Facebook or for some other website basically to your website, then, or of course Google, of course, what you can simply do is add one of those plugins right here. You can literally just add them to your website and then you will be able to basically just also get reviews, and that will be actual legit reviews that will be linked. But yeah, in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use the testimonial stripes. So what you need to do is click on it and it will bring you right here. And then right here you have a lot of testimonial stripes, basically previews you can use. So let's say that we use this one, you can literally just click on it, it will automatically be added. And then it will basically show up something like this. You can change the background, you can change the images of course from the people that are on here, and you can actually make it seem really legit. And then also right here you can just add stars if you want to make it even more legit. But yeah, that's basically all you need to do. So yeah, I've also made some videos how you can actually add reviews that will be linked to basically, for example, Google. If you want to see that video, just make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel and check out my channel. And yeah guys, that being said, I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.